Alright, welcome guys, Greenball back again in our reaction video. Today, I react to something very controversial. What me consider controversial, you see me? When I don't know, you know I know we I don't know, probably know how already. Fifth Harmony, Normani, and Little Mix, Leigh-Anne, and Pinnock. Guys, let me tell you, if you never know, Normani is my favorite from Fifth Harmony. Leigh-Anne is my favorite from Little Mix. So, I'm gonna say which of them sound better, and when at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you who I think are the best. So watch the full video to get my answer at the end of the video, you see me? Cause I love them two girls, and two girls are my favorite, you see me? So, I don't know where to go, you see me? So like, share, comment and subscribe, click that bell and then post and get the video, you see me? So let's begin now.
I need that money, cause I need a fatty beat. Bobby team, banging body beat. Everybody beat on my team. Yo, I got a beat. I'm the fattest beat. I don't even know how to speak. Back in the back, back in the back, back in the back, back in the back.
When I have you, wanna leave you. If you go, that's when I need you. I can't help myself, no. You come and with it. You put your hand on my waist, and then you pull me close. Promise you won't let go. Call me on your door. Tell me where your love lie. Wasted days, spend the night underneath the sunlight. Touch your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your
I'm gonna have to talk.
overnight this body if that's what you need. Yeah, he know this, he know this. Don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just stop loving me. Oh, 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 babe, I'm so into you, I'm so into you. Oh, I can't explain it.
Yes, Queen. Nobody made me to love. Stranger, why you made me love? Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction to Normani versus Leigh-Anne, you see me? Alright guys, what I want to do, pick Fun of Fear. Tell me which one of the girls is your guys' favorite in the comment section, you see me? Cause them two girls, as I say, I love the two of them from each girl group. Them are my favorite from each girl group, you see me? They have very good vocals, very good praise stage performance. Everything about them set off, you see me? Big man thing. But I know it's not probably away from me for telling you who my favorite is. And my favorite is